Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm going to be making Lofthouse-Style Valentine's Day sugar cookies. And yeah, if you want to see how to make these, the frosting and the cookie, be sure to keep on watching. First, start preheating your oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Now this really just depends on what type of oven you have. If your oven preheats quick, then you can start preheating it while the dough's in the fridge, but if it takes longer, then you can start right now. Alright, so first off, add in 3.5 cups of all-purpose flour and add in 1.5 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Set that aside, and in a large bowl add in 2 sticks or 1 cup of unsalted butter. Make sure it's softened, and add in 3/4 cup of granulated white sugar. And mix with a hand mixer. After mixing for about 2 to 3 minutes, add in 1 large egg and mix some more. After, add in a 1/2 cup of sour cream and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Start to add in the flour mixture from earlier little by little while mixing. After, add some flour to your work surface and add your dough. Then try to form kind of a circle with your hands and wrap it in plastic wrap when you're done. And then just stick it in the fridge for 1 hour. After an hour, flour your work surface again and take your dough out of the plastic wrap, add it to your work surface, flour it, and start to roll it until it's about 1 inch thick and at a really large circle shape. If your dough starts to crumble a bit too much to the point where you can't roll it anymore, then try and press down on the cracks and bring the dough together a bit more, and re-rolling it over and over again, and don't add any more flour, and it should get to the point where it's at a really good dough kind of texture and it's not crumbly anymore. After, cut out your cookies with your cookie cutters and add them onto parchment paper on a cookie tray. When you've cutted all of your cookies out, add them to an oven and bake for 8 minutes. Alright, now moving on to the frosting, add in a 1/2 cup or 1 stick of room temperature softened unsalted butter, and add in 2 cups of powdered sugar. Then add in 2 tablespoons of milk. Then mix together using either a whisk or a silicone spatula. Alright, after everything was fully combined, I separated my frosting into 3 different bowls, and in one bowl I added 1 drop of red food coloring to make a light pink color, and in another bowl, as you're gonna see in a couple of seconds, I added in 2 drops of red food coloring to make a red color. In the other bowl, I just kept it white, and just because the colors of Valentine's Day are red, pink, and white, and if you don't have any food coloring, then you of course can just keep it as white frosting and frost all your cookies like that. That works just the same, and it still is a symbol of Valentine's Day. Alright, after the 8 minutes is over, take your cookies out of the oven and start frosting them. After frosting all your cookies, you can either keep it as is, or to make it, still the classic Lofthouse-Style cookies, you can just add in some sprinkles. I use Valentine's Day sprinkles, which is a mix of white, red, and pink, and you can do the same. Alright, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, I cannot wait to see you guys next week. I have actually a really great video planned for next week, so make sure to stay tuned for that video. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video and the recipe, and if you did, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button, and yeah, I hope you enjoy this Valentine's Day this year, and yeah, goodbye!